Hello traders. So today I'm going to be trading USDCHF. It's going to be a long trade and I'm going to be placing sell for the currency USDCHF, that is United States Swiss franc. So I'm just going to place sell for the trade, and the reason why I place sell for the trade is because if you go to your weekly time frame, change to the line chart, you will notice that here was the previous support, while here was the previous resistance. So price moves down and it's coming back. It's going to make a pullback to at least this height here. Okay, so it's not going to be legit for you to just place your trade sell. You need other confirmation. So first I'm just going to highlight the tip that makes up this place. That will be our supposed stop loss, but since the weekly time frame is going to take a lot of pips, so we're going to go to lower time frame. So since we already know that place is support, so we're going to go to lower time frame, which is the daily, and you can see the daily has already shown a sign of going down. This long candle rejection is already showing a sign of going down, so that's our first confirmation. And again, our next confirmation is going to be we're going to change to the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to change to the 1 hour time frame, and we're going to use this line chart. You can see just going to place more cells. Okay, you can see price move down, up, make a pullback, make a lower low. So when it makes back to this area for downtrend, you just need to place your sell, expecting price to make a new low, right here like this. So that's exactly what I'm seeing using this line chart. Price made a low, pullback, low, pullback, so I place sell when it's in this area. Now my stop loss is going to be here. It ought to be here for the first one. I'm just going to put my stop loss there, then later I'm going to trade down below. So I'm just going to change the candlestick so I can see where to place my stop loss. This is actually a long-term trade. So I'm going to remove this one and place my stop loss above there. So I'm going to be placing my stop loss right here, 94,194. So for take profit now, I'm going to be going to the daily time frame. since we saw the signal through using weekly time frame, so I'm going to go into daily time frame. I'm going to change to line chart. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, this is weekly and this daily. So for daily, you can see that we got our support this. So between this fall and this expected fall, we're going to look for the highest peak, the closer peak, and closer highest peak is this one for daily. So we're going to put it here. We're going to put a line here, to mark it. Then we're going to go to 4 hours. We're just going to go to what they call it, 1 hour time frame, and which will be this area right here. So I'm just going to push the line up to this place. So here will be our take profit. So I'm going to set our take profit there. I'm just going to put take profit as 93675. So I'm done with the take profit. Now I'm just going to see the risk reward ratio. How many pips are we losing and how many pips are we gaining? So I'm just going to measure it with this last side. So we're losing about 25 pips to gain about 25 pips. So it's more like a 1-to-1 reward ratio for this particular trade. And I'll be trailing my stop losses. I'll be trailing my stop losses as the market push down. So I'm just going to change to candlestick and organize this thing very well. So you're gonna see it when next I open it. So I'm just going to place my line there, change to candlestick, and place my other line at this height. That will be my stop loss, and I'm just going to highlight that area. So this is my entry area, and I'm expecting price to move down here. So we're just going to watch the trade, and I'll come back as soon as the trade is done. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Thank you for listening, and see you at the results. So the trade has made about 100 pips down. So what I'm just going to do is to I'm just going to close some of my trade. So I'm going to leave this remaining one to run to my take profit.